Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 6, Terminal, 59 new stars today. Windows Terminal replaces the aging Windows console host with a modern GPU-accelerated terminal that unifies PowerShell, WSL, CMD, and any command line tool in a tabbed, customizable interface, solving the fragmentation and poor rendering that slowed down developer workflows on Windows. Its architecture splits the terminal core from the rendering engine using C++, Edgewin RT, and DirectX for smooth text output, while the open source codebase lets you see exactly how a production-grade terminal handles input, output, and accessibility. Whether you want to contribute to the official Windows command line experience or just learn how to build a high-performance terminal emulator, this repo is the definitive resource. Number 5, Copilot-sdk, 39 new stars today. Embed the same agent runtime that powers GitHub copilot-sdk into your own applications, giving users AI-driven planning, tool invocation, and file editing without building orchestration from scratch. This SDK solves the hard problem of reliable agentic loops, handling context, safety, and multi-step tool use so you can skip months of custom development and rely on a system already battle-tested by millions of developers. With idiomatic packages for Java, Python, TypeScript, Go, .NET, and Rust, you can integrate Copilot's agent capabilities into any stack and explore the included cookbooks to see working examples in minutes. Number 4, jellium-desktop, 43 new stars today. Jellyfin's web interface and official desktop player can be heavy on system resources, especially on older machines. This unofficial Rust client delivers a native lightweight alternative that streams your media with minimal CPU and memory overhead. Its use of Rust and native GUI toolkits makes it a technically interesting project for developers seeking a performant, self-contained media player that avoids the bloat of Electron or browser-based solutions. Number 3, voicebox, 610 new stars today. This repo gives developers an open-source, TypeScript-based alternative to commercial AI voice studios, enabling voice cloning, dictation, and speech generation without recurring API fees or vendor dependence. It solves the real-world problem of high-cost, opaque voice services by offering a self-hostable toolkit that keeps both data and customization under the developer's control. The technically interesting part is its modular TypeScript architecture, which likely supports local inference and extensible voice models, making it worth exploring if you need a private, programmable voice layer for your applications. Number 2, ktransformers, 360 new stars today. Deploying large language models efficiently across diverse hardware requires manually stitching together incompatible optimizations, which wastes engineering time and locks you into brittle configurations. ktransformers provides a modular Python framework that decouples model execution from acceleration backends, letting you freely combine kvcache compression, quantization, and attention optimizations on CPUs and GPUs without rewriting your pipeline. Its heterogeneous architecture makes it trivial to benchmark and swap out inference strategies, so you can find the right cost-performance trade-off without getting tied to a single vendor's stack. Number 1, AI Agent Book, 734 new stars today. Building reliable, production-grade AI agents is hard because the field lacks systematic engineering guidance, leading to brittle prototypes. This open-source book fills that gap by providing a complete, code-driven curriculum that moves from design principles to concrete implementation so you can build agents that actually work in real applications. Unlike scattered blog posts or vendor-specific tutorials, it offers a unified, language-agnostic mental model with executable Python examples for every chapter, letting you trace the logic from theory to running code.